The aerodynamics is a really crucial part of race cars, and for 2017 we've got new regulations which has increased that aspect of rallying as well. So our main aim with aerodynamics on the rally car is to generate downforce, but to do that in an efficient way so that we keep the drag level of the car reasonable as well. In an event like Poland, where we've got some of the fastest stages of the year, the aerodynamic package will be having some of the biggest effects on the performance of the car. The main shape of the body of the car obviously has its own aerodynamic characteristics, and we have to work with that by adding some extra devices to the front and to the rear and to the underneath of the car, which we use to change the characteristics to our advantage. So our primary aerodynamic device for the rear of the car is this large rear wing, and that's generating downforce to the rear tyres. It's split up into two major elements. We have a top profile and we have a lower spoiler, and those two elements work together to push the rear of the car down. So the size of the rear wing is limited in the regulations, and we've used all the space available to create the size of wing that we found to be the most efficient one. Our development program took place with a group of aerodynamicists in a wind tunnel, and they worked through many hundreds of different options in a small scale, so on a model that's running on a rolling road wind tunnel. The rear wing is not the only aerodynamic device we have on the car. We also have more underneath and towards the front, which I can show you. So here we are at the front of the car, where our aerodynamic devices are all integrated into our front bumper. The major device we have here is our front splitter, and that's lined by also a front air dam. And then on each side we have these dive planes which direct airflow around the side of the bumper. We aim to make the aerodynamics of the car as balanced as possible, so that when the car's flying they don't have any unusual characteristics, and we like to keep the car flying as flat as possible. In order to be competitive, you need to have really good aerodynamics.